In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to your computer in this easy step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to OneDrive or just need a refresher, we're going to walk through the process together to ensure you have everything set up smoothly. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the OneDrive download page. You can easily find this through a quick web search or by visiting Microsoft's official website. Once there, look for the download button, which should be prominent on the page. Go ahead and click that button to start the download, and then proceed with installing the application on your computer. This ensures you have the latest version right from the get-go, which helps to avoid any potential compatibility issues down the line. It's important to note that downloading the application does require an internet connection, so make sure you're connected. Once the installation is complete, open the OneDrive app. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. It's a straightforward process and really just involves providing some basic information. Once signed in, you'll be guided through a setup wizard. This wizard is your friend. It will help you choose where on your computer you want your OneDrive folder to be located. You'll also set your sync preferences. During this part, sync preferences are crucial because they determine which of your folders and files get automatically paired between your device and OneDrive. Tailoring these preferences to fit your needs can save you space and keep your files organized in a way that makes sense to you. Remember, keeping your OneDrive updated and in sync can offer seamless access to your files across devices, but it does require selecting your preferences wisely. This will help you use OneDrive efficiently and take full advantage of its capabilities. Perhaps the biggest advantage of using the latest OneDrive version right off the bat is that it ensures you're equipped with the newest features and improvements. However, the initial download requires internet access. So it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're setting this up in an area with limited connectivity. And there you have it. You've successfully added OneDrive to your computer, and now your files are just a click away, ready to be accessed from virtually anywhere. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the application to ensure you're getting the most out of it. As technology continues to evolve, staying updated is key to making your digital life more efficient. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next